Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open the Lazada app or website and tap Sign Up to create an account. Enter your mobile number or email, then request the verification code immediately. Type the one-time code you receive to complete verification and unlock buying features. Add your full name, shipping address, and a valid payment method for fast checkout. Save your login with a strong password and enable two-factor authentication if available for better security. Navigate to the Lazada gift card page to purchase a digital gift card instantly. Choose a denomination such as 0 or 5 and add a personalized message if desired. Pay with card, bank transfer, or Lazada wallet to complete the purchase within minutes. Gift card codes arrive by email and in your Lazada messages inbox for convenience. Always note the expiration date and any regional restrictions before sending or redeeming the code. To redeem, open Lazada and go to the Redeem Gift Card page or proceed to checkout. Paste the exact gift card code from email or message into the code field and tap Apply. Confirm the added balance appears in your Lazada wallet or account credits before you place the order. Use the wallet balance to pay fully or partially for items during checkout and combine vouchers if allowed. If a code fails, contact Lazada support and prepare your order ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.